Now that the sites are ready, the guys from Tankworks can deliver the tanks. And the best part is, they'll even position the tanks in the exact spot you want. G'day Stu, how you going?
Great, thanks.
Now, thanks for organising the tanks for us. Why don't you tell us a little bit about your company?
Yeah, great. So at Tankworks we manufacture corrugated steel rainwater tanks in ColourBond or galvanised finish. Our company's been around for about 80 years now, and in its current ownership for the last 12 years. I've been running as a managing director of the business for the last few years, and we make all of our tanks up to order. So the tanks are basically built to fit the space that you've got available.
So you can actually make them any size that you want?
Yeah, absolutely. You can just measure the length, width and the height that you've got available in a space like this behind the garage or down the side of the house, and we'll make the tank up to fit that space for you.
So what's the biggest and the smallest tank that you've ever done?
Yeah, sure. So we can make tanks in really in any size. So we do quite small tanks the size of a garbage bin. A typical tank like this, about 3,000 litres, is a great size for the average suburban house. We can roll slimline tanks even up to 7,000 litres, and we've done some up over 10,000 litres as well. And then we do make round tanks that go up into farm tank sizes like 30,000 litres, and our assemble on site tanks are up to 300,000 litres.
Yeah, right.
Yeah.
That's some big tanks there.
Yeah.
I also noticed that you use a good quality steel here.
Yeah, absolutely. So all our tanks are made with ColourBond steel from Western Port in Victoria. The steel we like because it has a traditional corrugated look, so it does match architectural houses and it matches the roof and the gutter of your house. We also know that it's a long-lasting product, a 20-year guarantee on the steel, so it won't corrode over time. It doesn't expand and contract, so when the tank is full, it basically stays exactly the same shape. And you get the ability to make thousands of different sizes.
Well, they look great. Why don't you tell us a bit about how the tanks are made?
Yeah, absolutely. So we use an extra wide corrugated sheet. So you can see here it's a metre wide, which means there's less seams on the tank. So there's just one seam in the middle of the tank. That means there's less things to go wrong and the tank is stronger. The rivets here are self-piercing rivets, so they're hydraulically pushed on, so they're nice and flush and they're galvanised as well. All the reinforcing inside the tank is in 304 stainless steel, so you know that you've got corrosion protection as well. All the outlets at the bottom of the tank are made in metal, and we have a compliance plate showing the watermark certification as well.
So are you a Melbourne-based company or are you all around?
Yeah, we've got 3 locations where we manufacture, Brisbane, Sydney and Melbourne, so we're able to deliver quite a wide range across the East Coast. We use all of our own truck drivers, so deliveries are handled by our staff, so the tanks generally get positioned in the right spot for you, so you don't have to worry about the heavy lifting and getting them into the backyard. We also deliver with the pump and the other fittings and fixtures as well, so it really is a one-stop shop for your rainwater tank requirements.
So if you want a tank, you can't go past Tankworks. You can check their website out at tankworks.com.au. Now all we have to do is call up Renzo and install them.